Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Vedant Goyal. In our previous video, we have discussed about sieve of Eratosthenes. In our today's video, we will discuss about prime factors and prime factorization. So what is prime factor? If a factor of a given number is prime, then it is called a prime factor. Let's take an example. 12. What are the factors of 12? They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So we have to find the prime factors here. So what are the prime? 2 and 3. These two are the prime factors of 12. Okay, 2 and 3 are prime factors of 12. Let's take another example. Let's take 15. What are the factors of 15? The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. So what are the prime factors here? They are 3 and 5. Let's take another example. Let's take 60. What are the factors of 60? The factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 15, 20, 30 and 60. So what are the prime factors here? They are 2, 3 and 5. So prime factors are very simple. They are the factors of a number which are prime. Okay? Now let's discuss prime factorization. Prime factorization is the method to express a given number as a product of prime factors. This is called prime factorization. What does it mean? It means that we have to express the number as a product of prime factors. What are prime factors? Prime factors are the factors which are prime. How can we find the prime factorization? First, we will take the number and check if the number is divisible by the smallest prime number, which is 2. First, we will check if it is divisible by 2. If yes, then we will divide it by 2 and the quotient we get. We will again check if it is divisible by the smallest prime number, which is 2. We will check it again and again till it is not divisible by 2. And then we will check by 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on for all prime numbers. Okay, now let's take an example. 36. We will check it by 2. So we make a line here. Yes, 36 is divisible by 2 and we divide 36 by 2, we get 18 as a quotient. We will further check. Yes, 18 is divisible by 2, so it gives us 9 as the quotient. Further, 9 is not divisible by 2, so we will check for 3. Yes, 9 is divisible by 3 and we will get 3. Again, 3 is divisible by 3, so we will get 1. So 1 is smallest natural number, so we'll stop here. and the prime factorization is the product of the divisors. What are the divisors? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this is equal to 36. If we multiply them, we will also get 36. So these are the prime factors of 36. Okay. Now let's take another example. 48. First we will check for 2. Yes, 48 is divisible by 2 and we get the quotient as 24. Then we have again 2. We will get 12. Again 12 can be divided by 2 and we will get 6. 6 is also divisible by 2, so we will divide it by 2 and get 3. Now 3 is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3 and we get 1. So what is the prime factorization? It is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So the product of the prime factors is the number. Okay. We have another method to find the prime factorization. First, we will take 50. What is 50 first divisible by? It can be divided by 2 and 2 is a prime factor, so we will circle it. Then 25 can be written as 5 into 5. So 5 are the factors, prime factors, so they will be also circled. So 50 equal to product of the prime factors, which is 2 into 5 into 5. Easy. Now let's take another example. Suppose we take 48. 48 can be expressed as 2 into 24. So 2 is the prime factor here, so we will circle it. 24 can be written as 2 into 12. So 2 is again a prime factor. 12 can be written as 2 into 6. 2 is again a prime factor. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So 2 and 3 are both prime factors. So what can be 48 written as? 48 can be written as the product of its prime factors, which is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Understood? In our today's video, we have learnt about prime factors and prime factorization. In our next video, we will learn HCF and LCM. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification button to get my latest videos. Thank you.